Alright, I'm gonna make a video just going through how I made my YouTube channel art or the banner. So first I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna open new. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna put a name for it. It's gonna be for one of my sub channels. So just into weapons, YouTube channel art 2 because I made one, but I want to make a different one. And some of these images I already made, but you need to make sure that the units are in pixel. So we'll go ahead and we'll just show that real quick. So you want to make sure that the units right here are in pixels, and you want to do a width of 2560 and a height of 1440. So now what I did was I went ahead and I found a template, which was very easy to find, and I'll be clicking the link below for that where I found it, to give credit where credit's due. Now I'm using my old laptop. It moves like a dinosaur. That'll fit right on that 2560. So it'll show you to go ahead and where put your logo. That way it'll be best visible for desktop, minimum, and mobile. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get another image to put there. So it is just into weapons. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this image here for the banner area. There'll be some resizing of it and everything. Like I said, this old laptop, it moves slow. Get over to illustrate. Come on. Come on, slowpoke. There we go. All right. So it's way bigger than it needs to be, so we're just going to fix that. Just resizing it. Make it a little bit smaller. That way I bring it right out to the edge. So I want it to be mainly for mobile and the minimum desktop. I'm going to have a background image in it. So I'm not really worried about how big this is, other than I just want it to be optimized size for being seen as a banner for mobile and minimum desktop size. The touch button on this kind of sucks, but it's alright. Bring it up, then bring it back down. It's pretty touchy, pun intended. And then I'm going to go ahead and just get the last part that I'm going to use for my background. which is for my main channel, and I'm going to use it. Oh, not opening it. Goodness. That's user error here. I'm going to place it on here, on the Illustrator. Once again, it's moving slow. Now I want to place that as like it's going to be the whole screen for if somebody's seen it on a television using like a media box or what have you. Just getting it resized to the right size. Then what I'll do with this background, the way I can move the template off of there in a moment. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and right click on that, go down to arrange. I'm going to send that to the back. That way it's the very back image. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight the template. I'm going to delete that. And now we have what is ideal to be in a full screen, and then the banner in the center. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this project. Save as. I'm doing all my videos, I'm not doing them on this at least, so it doesn't take forever to do that. But using the Illustrator, I don't want to pay no extra monthly deal or try to deal with finding some way of making it work on Windows 10. So I'm just using the old laptop, and it's a little slow because of that. So very slow. There we go. Finally. Now we click on export, and I'm going to go to JPEG. I'm going to click save. I want to make sure it's up here in the maximum quality. I don't have to have a huge file, so we'll click OK on that. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next part of the video because it is going to save as JPEG. It's done. So, okay, now that we have that image that we want for our YouTube channel art, we want to go to our YouTube channel page. Then we want to click on this here, the little camera. We're going to drag it over there because I already have it open to. It'll make that easier. So it'll upload. It's much better using the newer laptop here now. That's just a good size file. So once it uploads, then we'll position it to where it looks right. And it already looks right because the size is already made. So a lot of people are going to watch this on their mobile. So that one's one that's targeted. The desktop, this extra little stuff on the side, it'll be seen, but that's all right. Our banner's still right here. And plus our little profile picture is going to be up over here. And the full page, like viewing it on a TV and a media box, etc., then you see the whole image. So we're going to go ahead and click select, saving it, and it'll change over there in a moment. And there it is. That is the new YouTube channel art image. And this is for one of my sub channels. That way it's for targeted audiences, and it'll be about weapons. I'm into this and that, so weapons falls into that category. And instead of putting a bunch of videos on just one channel that a lot of people won't want to see each type, so just make sub channels. It's not a big deal, and that way you don't lose subscribers and all that good stuff. So if you found this video helpful, click on the like button, and then also click right up here in the corner on the logo right here, and it's you can subscribe to the channel. That way you can see further videos of how to do things with various programs and such, and all kinds of good tech stuff, because that's fun too, right? And then also, if you just want to follow into weapons, then subscribe to that sub channel. There'll be plenty more videos in there. And yeah, so thank you for watching the video. That's definitely very appreciated that you did. And you have an awesome day.